I'm a vet. I graduated in 1979. I joined the Army. Did about 5 or 6 years. I got out, went to college.
What was your M was?
31 Mike Communications.
Yep.
I got out.
You're good at that.
Yeah.
If you're going to solve homelessness, it's got to be a community effort. It can't be the federal government alone. It can't even be VA alone for veterans. It's got to be VA, HUD, labor, all working together, HHS all working together.
I know he's here because of the efforts that we've made in Hillsborough County to try to eradicate homelessness. Our numbers are going down. He was here talking about and trying to find out what we're doing to make these things happen. This county grows, so we're averaging 32,000 to 35,000 here a year. A lot of those people are going to be transferred. Veterans are coming here that don't have anywhere to stay. So we're going to have to continue to work together with all those agencies, including the federal government, including HUD, to try to make sure we get these things happen. And our private sector in the city of Tampa. So he was here to hear what we had to say, a roundtable discussion. I think he heard some great things. He's made some commitments to us, and we made some commitments to him, so we would all work it out.
I think one of the things you've got going here so well is that sense of community, public, private, government, all levels of government, which is terrific. Number two, we know what the strategy is. It's no longer debatable. The housing first strategy works. It's not housing only, and sometimes that gets misinterpreted. It's housing first, get rid of that lowest level of Maslow's hierarchy of needs, and then you can treat the person for what caused them to be homeless.
Project Reveille, an innovative idea that takes an old idea of stand-downs that attract veterans and increases it to literally taking veterans out of a project, a stand-down, and placing them in housing that very day. 50 veterans literally come in homeless. By the end of the day, they're in a place to live with the support services that they need.
I am a vet myself, and I am looking to make sure that there is a day that a vet does not sleep on the streets in Hillsborough County. I'm excited, and I can't wait to get to work to make sure that this is a national model. There are some tweaks we need to make to the process, but this is going to be amazing for so many. Not only just for vets, but we can also take this process and make it available for other people experiencing homeless.
We just had a very productive meeting to figure out how we can help get to the President and First Lady's goal, all of our goal, of eliminating veteran homelessness here in Hillsborough County and in Tampa.
We should set that kind of standard for our veterans around the country, to where they should have access to a pool, they should have a community room, having TVs, having computer rooms. That kind of quality of life says, I care about you, I love you, I respect you for your service. That's the kind of standard we want to set nationwide.
So just those two things would be invaluable to spread around the country. And we heard from him himself that he's thinking about a National Reveille Day on Veterans Day. How exciting could that be for Hillsborough to be impacting the entire country as a result of the Secretary's visit?
Some of our communities have similar things, but why don't we get together and do a national Operation Reveille on Veterans Day?
Amen. Amen.